नमस्कार बे अकि लटि शामनस बगन यह काव पुनिम हुंद दो उस बड़ रुत अलग अलग वर्जन्स अलग अलग लूख खुश तो खुशहाल सारी अक तरफ फेसबुक भरित मैसेजों सतन अक तरफ यूट्यूब भरित वीडियो सत and from every side all mediums full of information on cow but cow, and it was established that this is the day, this is the holy day when Kak Bushundi enlightened Garuda, who was under the illusion that if at all Lord Rama is Param Brahma. So illusions were removed and enlightened Garuda was happy because this pious day, holy day, is celebrated none other in Indian peninsula other than Kashmir, like we Kashmiri Pandits celebrate it with Kak Bhushundi, or the king of crows. Crow in Hari Parbat Parikrama is very much visible before Saptarishi. When we leave from Mahaganeshun towards Chakreshwar, on the way we have on our right hand side a huge rock where we can find Kak Bushundi's image. It's like a huge crow is watching the devotees going towards Chakreshwar Parbat. And during whole day I received so many mails, so many replies, and enchanting one I would like to read for you. A beautiful poem in Kashmiri instantly sent to me from Ajmer by dearest Jaya Sibuji goes like this. Kak Bushundiyas Ösin Lol Namaskar. Kak Bushundiyas Ösin Lol Namaskar. Yemis Nad Bindu Sozan Shabd दृश्य जयकार यमिस नाद बिंदु सोजान शब्द दृश्य जयकार पान शिवनाथ आव बनित प्रकाश पान शिवनाथ आव बनित प्रकाश गरुड़स ओस करुन अहंकारुक नाश गरुड़स ओस करुन अहंकारुक नाश माग पुण्यम छित्यथ वनान अथ अवस्था अभीद माग पुण्यम छित्यथ वनान अथ अवस्था अभीद श्रोच श्रान्य रनित आपरावन कावस नवीद श्रोच श्रान्य रनित आपरावान कावस नवीद जया सिबूजी वारिया वारिया अही क्याजकि यह तुथ चीज तुथ अमृत युस न उमरन मिटे यह पोशवुन तीतिस कालस यह धरती such a sweet expression. Not only this, I was overwhelmed and delighted to share one of the funniest experiences, but this is true to Kashmiri Pandits. When in the morning, that when the video was premiered on Cow But Cow, one of my friend called me from Jaipur. What was his version? He wanted to know more about it, but while we were talking about Cow But Cow, he questioned me that who is this Bhush cow? Bhush cow? I was surprised to hear about this name because there is a mention in the legend of Bhagavat that Kak Bhushundi gave sermon to Garuda when he was addressing to Garuda, but I narrated Kak Bhushundi, not Bhush cow, but in Kashmiri way we can say so, Bhushan Lal cow. So funny but entertaining and happiness all the time. We must keep ourselves happy and fresh so that we have no burdens on our minds, because that's the way forward. Beautiful day, soothing day, and full of bliss. Cow but cow, khechre cow. When I recited that poem, काव बटकाओ खेच रे काओ, काव बटकाओ खेच रे काओ, कावत कविन सुती है, कावत कविन सुती है, गंग बल शाना करित गुरटे में से टुका करी, गंग बल शाना करित गुरटे में से टुका करी, वजले पाटे यो न्याचनित, वजले पाटे यो न्याचनित, वलबासाने नवेलरे कनदरे, वरे बत खिने, वरे बत खिने, वलबासाने नवेलरे कनदरे, वरे बत खिने, वरे बत खिने, वरे बत खिने, वरे बत खिने. Thus it completes the verse, because during the day I heard it from Santosh Nadan, I heard it from so many people from Bangalore. Kuldeep ji and Santosh ji recited it. From New Zealand, Karuna ji recited it. Maybe some grandchildren or someone's children were there who recited it beautifully, and every side I received tremendous response, and this is the way to go. This is the way we must organize ourselves and associate ourselves with beautiful things and think of return and new Kashmir with the resonating Kaw Bat Kawo in every family, every house. Ahi Ait Urzu.